Hey, I'm calling because we've hit a significant snag with the fundraiser layout. That rainbow centerpiece was the primary draw for our marketing, and its absence on the main table is quite noticeable to the early donors. This is a major issue because we've already promised that specific cake to a few people who saw the flyers. I need you to drop whatever you're doing, head back to the house immediately, and bring it over here. In the meantime, I'm going to have to rearrange the entire display with the pies and cookies to mask the gap. It's vital that you get here within the next 15 minutes before the main crowd arrives from the charity run. I really need you to step up here so we don't let the charity down. Drive safely, but please make this your absolute priority.
Hi, I'm Tim. I'm the co-founder and tutor at TestPass Online School. I am a certified CELPIP instructor and have already trained more than 100 students to help them reach their target scores. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you feel inspired to push forward with your preparation. If you're ready to take the next step, head over to our website, testpass.ca, and book a free 30-minute consultation. During our call, I'll help you figure out your specific goals and create a plan for our classes. Plus, when you start studying with me, you can save over $300 on your prep journey. Let's begin this journey of improvement and practice together so you can pass the CELPIP at whatever level you need. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.